Well, this is our big dig event that we've had now for several years. And so last year we had like 60 volunteers and we planted 16,000 flowers in about an hour and a half. And this is an opportunity for the community and volunteers to come and, help plant flowers that they can come back during the course of the summer and fall and just see the park, turn more beautiful than it already is.
This is really the showcase of volunteerism in this community here. The reason that these gardens and this park was hit was to be a community center for our community, and so this is just an opportunity for folks to get their hands dirty, help us as a parks team put together the most beautiful park in the state of Nebraska. So there's a sense of community.
We have volunteers year-round, and so they come, seasonally to plant, to harvest perennial bulbs and put them in the greenhouse. They tend to things in the wintertime. In the spring, they're planting things in the greenhouse, in preparation for putting them in the ground. And so our volunteer corps, kind of meets regularly all year long.
We'll start planning next year's events already, in the next couple of months. So, but it's a combination. It's led by our city staff, our city horticultural team that lead, but we have volunteer opportunities.
So every year, so far, we've tried to choose a different theme. This year is Under the Sea, and so next year we'll choose a different one. And then we start planning everything about July every summer, and then throughout the winter we tweak some numbers, figure out what plants to order from where, and then we also grow some in our greenhouse at the Yanney shop there too. So it's a whole lot of planning.
This has been a dream for Mr. Yanney. Mr. Yanney passed away on Valentine's Day this year at 91, and this was one of his dreams, and he was able to kind of see it through to fruition. And so it's special to him. It's special to a lot of us that enjoy the outdoors and gardening and seeing people have a good time out here.